Okay, when you first come into lab, you're going to go from station to station. And when you first get to a station, the first thing I want you to do is just to describe the reactants or the things you're about ready to react together. So you might say something like, you know, it's a yellow solution or a blue solution or a gray metal and a clear solution in the case of hydrochloric acid. Then you're going to do the reaction, and after the reaction, I want you to try to describe the products. Now there's two very important things in instructions that you understand. It's the difference between a glowing splint and a flaming splint. So please write this down for sure. A glowing splint, I'll start with this, is when you light the splint on fire, and you're going to use a Bunsen burner, not a candle, and then you wait for it till you have some glowing parts. Blow it out, and that's glowing. And then you might be asked to insert this into a test tube. But you aren't going to want to insert it all the way down to the bottom where the reaction is. A glowing splint is obviously one that's still lit. And this would look like there's going to be one reaction where you put, you can see I have actually, one of them is the magnesium and the hydrochloric acid, and it'll start to bubble. And one partner will hold a test tube over the top to collect the gas that's coming out. And then, see if I can put my camera here. Okay, then you'll want to, actually this sometimes works best when just one person does it, and you're going to be working around in pairs of two, but you'll hold the glowing splint near it and then quickly go like this so that you kind of light the gas inside the test tube on fire. Well, it won't go on, but you'll see what happens. I don't want to give it away, but anyways, you'll collect it. Whoa, this splint is gaining on me. Hold on, let me get another one. Okay, again, you'll collect the gas, you'll put this right near it, and then you'll quickly go like this so that you can heat up the gas inside the test tube. So it's important, it's important to know the difference between glowing and flaming splints. And then when you're done, you can either say, oh, well, looking at my test tube, I see a clear solution at the end, and I had this gas produced that was clear. And that's all I'm going to, well, that's part of what I'm going to be asking you to do for this lab.